In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into CapCut with Google on your PC in just a few simple steps. If you've been trying to get into CapCut quickly without creating a separate login, this is the easiest way to do it. Whether you're opening CapCut for the first time or you just want to connect your Google account, I'll walk you through the full process from start to finish. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once the app loads, look at the top left corner of the screen and click Sign In. This is where you'll start the login process and connect your account to CapCut. After that, you should see a few sign-in options appear. From here, select Continue with Gmail. This option lets you use your Google account instead of creating a separate CapCut login, which makes signing in much faster and easier. Next, a Google sign-in window will appear. Now choose the email address you want to use with CapCut. If you're already signed into multiple Google accounts, make sure you select the correct one that you want linked to CapCut. After selecting your email, Google will ask you to authorize access. This is an important step because it gives CapCut permission to connect with your Google account. Review the prompt, then click Allow or Continue, depending on what appears on your screen. Once you authorize it, wait a moment while CapCut finishes logging you in. After that, you'll be sent right back to CapCut and your account should now be signed in successfully. At this point, you can start using CapCut with your Google account connected, which makes it easier to access your projects and keep everything synced. And that's it. You've now signed in to CapCut with Google on your PC. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.